Here's the noon update for January 3rd, 2013. On the NASDAQ 10-day 1 minute chart, basically we had 3, 4, and 5. And I called the fifth wave down. Not on the number, but I called that we were getting a fifth wave down after a fourth wave, and that we'd reverse after 5 waves down, and we're reversing in a gigantic way. And if this is wave 1 and yesterday's dip was a wave 2, we could be entering a slow grinding third wave. And the characteristic of a slow grinding third wave is a gap, like a gap down in the open, followed by buying that brings the market back into the positive, and it grinds slowly higher. It's not like we move up like 100 points a day, but like incrementally we move up day by day. And I think this is the start of a slow grinding third wave, which is like my favorite pattern. And if you get wave, this is a wave 2, then we're starting a slow grinding third wave today. So if we close at the highs, we continue to grind higher like we've been doing for several days in a row. It could last maybe a couple months, and that's what happened last January. We had a slow grinding third wave, and I would love to see that happen because my trading becomes dramatically incredible. It's like last year, I think I didn't have one loss until March, if I remember correctly. But I didn't have that many losses between January and March of last year. So it was like 2 or 3 months of just my current streak right now. Actually, I've made 13 trades in a row with a profit. 13 in a row with a profit. So I'd like to extend my streak to like maybe 20 in a row. I think my record was like 20 in a row of profitable trades. But anyway, this is 1, 2, 3. Then we can grind to at least 3,200 in Nasdaq. For S&P, basically we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and then I call that fifth wave as usual. I call the fourth wave. I call the third wave bottom, the fourth wave top, and the fifth wave low. Happens all the time. But um, basically we gapped out of the formation into a third wave. If this turns to a pure slow grinding third wave, this area right here would be wave 2, and we're starting a slow grinding third wave up. And today is a good example of what happens in a slow grinding third wave. There's a dip at the open, and then it gets bought right away. For the Dow, same thing. We got 3, 4, 5. We got 4 to 0.32 and 5 down to 12,875 approximately, and we're clearly we're clearly entering the new 52-week high. I think the 52-week high was let me check. I'll find out later. But the important thing is that we're entering because we could be entering a slow grinding third wave in the Dow too. And yesterday's dip was a 2 before 3. The highest target I believe was around 14,500 if we get a full third wave. So that'd be 1, 2, 3 if we get a full third wave. In my current position right now, I have TQQQ, which is up about 7 cents right now, and I bought it at right at the 0.618 breakout at 51.96. I bought the 0.618 breakout, and then it's been a pretty big trade. It's almost a $20,000 profit right now on 4,000 shares. And the UPRO, I bought at I believe it was 92.40, the intraday low yesterday, and now I'm up about 2.5 points on the UPRO on 2,000 shares. So again, this could be 1, 2, 3, and target for UPRO. Actually, target for TQQQ is 66 to 67, or between 67 and 68. Then that's 1, 2, and 3. And I plan on I'm gonna try to hold these positions as long as possible to get a full to get the full move. That's a wrap.